The 2006 Winter Olympics in Torino gave us one of the strangest controversies ever. The ski pole scandal. Sweden and Norway were battling it out in the women's team cross-country relay. During the race, Swedish skier Anna Dahlberg broke her ski pole. In a show of sportsmanship, a Norwegian coach handed her a replacement pole. Sounds good, right? Well, not to the Norwegians. When Sweden went on to win gold, Norwegian fans weren't exactly thrilled with their coach's act of kindness. Some even call it a betrayal. The controversies sparked a heated debate about sportsmanship versus competition. Was it the right thing to do, or should the coach have stayed neutral? What do you think? Does good sportsmanship always come first, or should winning be the priority? Drop your thoughts below, and of course, keep on pushing.